just want to take a second to show you my fall nails for this week. Don't they look cute? And these are Gel X nails. Hello ladies, welcome back to another cash stuffing video. I am a 9-to-5 mom doing the 100k savings challenge. Plus, I like to share my bougie and a budget lifestyle. So let's get started. Huh? I'm just gonna count the money I have withdrawn from my second paycheck for November, plus any rollover cash from last week. Okay, let's do this. I like to organize my cash first before I go to count. My 20s. Okay, so let's start counting. 200, 300, 500, 600, 700, 800, 850. I think I'm missing $50. No, I think this is everything. Okay, we check here. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. Okay, so we're good. So that was $800 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 100 plus 50 plus 40 plus $3. $993, but I'm just gonna double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Money always smells so good. That's 800. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 900. Plus 50, 70, 90. 70. Plus 1, 2, 3. Plus $993. My biggest goal for this paycheck is to save towards a 100k savings challenge. We are saving money to buy our first family home, so I'm really excited for that. I'm gonna put $800 towards our 100k savings bucket. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800.
800.
So I'm just gonna put this up here. And then at the end of the month, I'm going to put my money I had saved for my 100k savings challenge back into my high yield savings account. Okay, so we have, that leaves us with, it's 993 minus 800. That leaves us with $193 to spend towards our discretionary buckets. $70 towards eating out. Okay. 193 minus 70. So that leaves me with $123. I'm going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put $100 towards groceries. Minus 100. So that leaves us with $23. 20, 1, 2, 23. For this remaining cash, I'm just gonna put it towards, let's see, $100 I want to thank me, or 100K savings challenge, groceries, see TJ Maxx. I'm not just gonna put in TJ Maxx because I go to TJ Maxx probably once a week or bi-weekly. I love TJ Maxx. Thank you for watching today's sweet and simple cash stuffing video. I do have a TikTok account where I share specific tips and motivations for any ladies who... That is today's sweet and simple cash stuffing video. I also have a TikTok account at Personally Jewel where I show specific saving tips and motivations for any ladies wanting to pursue the 100K savings challenge. So check me out if that is something that you're interested in, and I'll see you next time. See ya! And before I go, I did get a question asking where do I get my fashion art displays. So this one, the Valentino bag, I got from Ross, and the price tag is still there, $5.99. And I also have my Coco Chanel perfume from Ross, $5.99. I haven't gone to Ross in a few minutes, so I may just spend my $23 I got saved for TJ Maxx at Ross and check out their fall and winter fashion home decors.